So today we are going to be going over the structures of animals and what they need to survive and live in their environment. What do you already know? What do animals need to grow and to live? If we look at these pictures, we can see that a bear catches a fish in its sharp teeth. So it uses its sharp teeth as its structure.
Just walk back and forth.
It uses its sharp teeth. A bird drinks water. It uses its beak to drink water. These are structures that they're using. A whale breathes air through its blowhole in the top of its head. We see its structure, the top of its head. Alright, so now
I
we're
would
gonna
go back to that one and ask them about what animals they know.
Oh, yes. I even wrote that down. Oh, I'm looking on here. So what are some other animals that you know? What are some other animals that we can name and that we've read about that has certain structures that help it survive? Yes, Ezekiel.
There are polar bears that can use their sharp claws to catch and prey winged snails.
Yes. Bentley, what's another one?
A snake can use its teeth to catch its prey.
A snake can use its teeth. Okay, my last one, Kayleen.
Giraffes can use their long tongue to get food.
So they're food from the trees. Yes, good. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna go over a little bit of vocabulary words. Alright, so the two vocabulary words that we're gonna be learning about today are gill and lungs. Okay, gill is a body part that takes in oxygen from water. So what animal might use a gill to take in? Yes.
Sharks and fish.
Sharks and fish, that's a good one. Alright, lungs. A lung is a body part that takes in oxygen from air. Can somebody give me another example for a lung? Dorian.
Like fish.
Fish, do fish live in the air?
No, it's underwater.
Okay, so fish would be using their gill. Yes, Aubrey.
For sleeping.
No, what body part? So what animal is animals,
Mammals.
mammals? What uses a lung or lungs to take in oxygen from air? Yes, Caleb. Cheetahs, yes, that's one. Eduardo.
A primate.
Okay, let's use words that.
Gorilla.
A gorilla, okay. Braden. Tiger.
But that's
okay.
good.
What about humans? We use our lungs to breathe in air. Oxygen. We need oxygen to survive. Okay. How do these animals act and use their parts to meet their needs? I'm gonna play a quick video for y'all.
A whale must come to the surface of the water to take in oxygen. It takes air in and then lets the air out through a blowhole in the top of its head. The blowhole acts like nostrils. Why is this crane staring at the water? It is being very still because it is about to catch a fish. The crane waits waits until the fish is close, and then plunges its head into the water to catch the fish. These elephants are drinking water. How do they do it? An elephant uses its trunk like a straw. It sucks up some water with its trunk and then sprays the water into its mouth.
We're gonna get with our partner,
Your shoulder partner?
your shoulder partner. If you're at the end,
So
you
y'all
may
talk, y'all
grab,
talk, or
you may be in a group of 3.
Caleb.
But we're gonna talk about with
You can talk
our
to her.
shoulder partner. What do you wonder about how animals act and use their parts to get what they need? So get with your shoulder partner and talk about.
So have them look at that picture.
Look at this picture. We're gonna look at this picture. So what do we see? Okay, get with your table partner. Can we pause it? Alright, so what do you wonder about how the animals act and use their parts to get what they need? Kayla, can you share with me?
Like I was saying that that lion was drinking the water like cats do.
Yes, so the lion was drinking its water. I wonder how the lion knows where to find water. So how do you think the lion knows where to find water? Yes, Essie?
At the lake.
Yeah, it goes to the lake, to the watering hole. Yes. From its sight, yes. It's a good one. Brayden?
Because it can
Go ahead, what'd you say?
Sense, where you didn't
Uh-huh.
see. Sense the
Mhm.
water. Instincts. Okay. So, I guess. Okay. pause. So now we're going to move on to our hands-on activities in our groups. We're going to use our blue construction paper and we're going to, I have it already separated from animals and plants. Remember last week when we went over plants and their structures and what they need to survive. And today we went over animals and their survivals.
Talk about plants. Talk more about plants, just to refresh.
So remember, plants need water. Do we?
Or ask them.
sun too.
We need sun. So what is another thing that plants need?
Maybe
Seed. Well, yes, we use seeds to plant. Yes, Adriana.
They need water.
We need water, Mary.
Yeah.
We need air. So these things help our plants grow and survive. So now we're going to make a list. We're going to get together. We're going to cut out and list. If you'd rather write, you can write. But we're going to list in the columns what plants. Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be separating animals and plants and what they need for survival. What they need to survive. Okay? So what our hands-on activity today is.
Ask them if they have any questions.
Do we have any questions?
no.
No questions today?
I don't think so.
Alright, thank y'all.